Guys, this is the WOLFBOX Retractable Bed Step. Let's get it installed. All right guys, WOLFBOX makes really cool accessories for your vehicles. This is the retractable bed step. We're gonna put it on my F-150 here. It's gonna go right here. It's gonna greatly improve our access in and out of the bed. This thing should be pretty simple to get on. Let's do it. Let's see what's in the box. Instruction manual. Oh, there's the step right there. Very nice. There's the retractable bracket right there. Everything is very well made, guys. There's another bracket, some gloves, and just a few nuts and bolts. This one should be pretty easy, guys. All right, guys, here are all the pieces. We got two brackets here. The main retractable step is here, and the step cover, the main platform, is there. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, and the nuts and bolts, the manual, and everything is 13 millimeter. So I've got a box in and a ratchet. Let's get it installed. All right, let's build it. All right guys, let's go underneath to get this thing hooked up. All right, we got 4 bolts here. These two and these two, these are 1/2 inch, these are big. I used the 25 millimeter to get them off. We got these 2 1/2 inch bolts here. Use a little shorty for this one to bypass this flange right here. All right, we got the 2 big nuts off and we got the 2 smaller 1/2 inch bolts out of here. Now we're gonna mount this thing up here. We got the 2 original factory nuts back on, and then we got the 2 new bolts and washers from WOLFBOX in here. They're a little bit longer than the factory ones. They fit in there to make up the difference of the bracket. I'm gonna get those tightened down. These are 13 millimeter. We got those 2 main nuts tight and those 2 bolts tightened down. And now we're just gonna finish up tightening these real quick. 13 millimeter here. All right, there it is. We just got to put the step on it. And there's these little bolts that slide in there. And it's going to go up. Just like that. Let's do it. All right, guys, let's get the step on. These little bolts right here slide into the grooves here. Just like that. The washer, and then a nut. Wow, that's cool. Let's try it. All right, there it is. Check it out. And you have adjustment on there, so if you want to tuck it in a little bit more or whatever, but you basically want to have a little bit sticking out here so you can get your foot here. You pull it down and you're ready to go. Very convenient. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a lot easier. A lot easier. And getting down, instead of using this one, which is the bumper step, you can use this one. It's a lot better. Very cool. All right, guys, that's it. Very simple install. It's heavy duty. Check it out, guys. This thing's awesome. Tucks away nice and easy. Pull it down with your foot and you are on Very, very cool. You don't have to put your leg all the way up here now. That's a pretty difficult stretch. This gives you a lot bigger platform as well. Retractable bed cover from WOLFBOX. I'll leave a link to the video review I did on it below. It's awesome. Check this out. Very cool. Oh, that's a game changer, guys. Check it out. You can get both feet on there.
The expandable design supports up to 330 pounds when deployed, staying strong and secure.
WOLFBOX, guys, they are awesome. Go check them out. I'll see you on the next one. Later.
Come out WOLFBOX. Click on the link in the description. Let me know if you get one. See you on the next one. Later.
Check this out. Very cool. Oh, that's a game changer, guys.